You are going to love the 2026 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear window defroster, dual rear wheels, speed control, engine block heater, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, electronic stability control. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.